Ôi trời đất quỷ thần ơi, có mấy chục cá lại còn tích hợp sạc dự phòng. Có phải tổng tài đang trêu đùa em đấy không? Bản cũ đã xịn rồi, nay tổng tài lại cho ra mắt phiên bản nâng cấp. Trên có hơn 20 cành hoa mà các vợ có thể dùng sạc pin các thiết bị khác như một chiếc sạc dự phòng trong những trường hợp cần kíp. Dung lượng pin cũng lớn hơn nên các vợ có thể dùng liên tục lên tới 5-6 tiếng lần. Tranh thủ đầu mùa nắng, giá còn mềm xìu. Các vợ tham khảo một màu ở góc trái nha.
Is this still one of the most go-to keyboards on a budget? This is of course the AJAZ AK820 Max, and the Max comes with a customizable screen. Now what I think separates this keyboard from the rest of the other creamy keyboards is the FR4 plate. If you've been around keyboards for a while, you used to have to pre-order keyboards that would come with an FR4 plate, and it was usually an add-on that cost extra money. That FR4 plate actually brings out the true sounds of your switch. Now speaking of switches, you are getting a pre-lubed linear switch they call the avocados. Those switches are mounted on a south-facing PCB, and of course it's got a gasket-mounted structure. Now you can run this AJAZ AK820 Max wired or wireless. They hide the 2.4 dongle underneath the 2-stage flippy feet. Now the red shark colorway is my absolute favorite, but they just restocked with a ton of different colors. So if you see the colorway that you like, I would definitely snag one, and I left you that link below. The most viral creamy keyboard here on TikTok just got some huge upgrades. The AULA F75 just got a customizable screen. And if you haven't noticed already, they also upgraded the keycaps. This is the AULA F75 Max. The Max is the only version that comes with the fully customizable screen. And for a little while, they only had some pretty basic colorways. That's why I'm super happy to see the topographic design on this gray to black gradient keycap. That is, of course, shine through. It's still gasket mounted. You can run this keyboard wired or wireless. This is compatible with Mac or Windows. And you are also getting that OG Reaper switch that everybody loves. Those Reaper switches are mounted on a south-facing PCB, which in my opinion is ideal in case you want to upgrade your keycaps later down the line. And for some reason, this is pretty much the same price as the Pro version. So if you've been shopping around for a AULA F75, definitely go with the Max version, and I left you that link below.